Hi friends, good morning. How are you? In the last class, I explained the findings or experiments made by Sir Humphrey Davy. Am I right? So these are some of the scientists with their findings. So you have to learn only the important points given by them. I have already given in the notebook. Okay, now we can see about the Michael Faraday. He is known as the father of electricity. He made many experiments in liquids and he proved that when electricity is passed through liquids, they separated into their components. Okay, and he named this as the law of electrolysis. So next we can see about J.J. Thomson. This is J.J. Thomson and he also made many experiments for him. When an electric discharge was passed, all the gases gave the same negative particles irrespective of the nature of the gas. And hence he substantiated that these particles are common to all substances. And he proved that these are much smaller than the atom and are the part of atoms. They are inside the atoms. And these he concluded that this negatively charged particle in the atom is the electron. So the electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. The next person is Ernest Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford. He also made many experiments and he found that the positively charged, passing positively charged alpha particles through a very thin gold foil. The alpha particles that come out through the gold foil were allowed to fall on a circular photographic film. He concluded that some of the alpha particles, see this one, this is the gold foil and he passed alpha particles through the gold foil and then he concluded that some of the alpha particles, see this one, some of the alpha particles pass through, that is straight line, and some other alpha particles deviated, see the slanting position, and some other particles come back. So from his experiments he found out that the alpha particles, some of the alpha particles pass through, some are deviated and some are come back to the original position. And he concluded that the major portion of the atom is empty and a small part inside the atom where positively charged is concentrated. This central part of the atom is called nucleus and he concluded that it is nucleus. And on the basis of his experiments, he proved that the particles were responsible for positive charge are protons. He also found out that. And it is determined that the mass of proton is equal to the mass of hydrogen atom. And he predicted that he has found out the nucleus and also found out the protons. And he predicted that there is a presence of a negative charged particle also in the atom. So this is about the Ernest Rutherford's findings. Is it clear that we have learned about the findings of three scientists. The last one is Chadwick. James Chadwick. He also made many experiments and he proved that inside the nucleus of an atom there are neutral particles having mass equal to that of protons and this chargeless particle is the neutron. So he named the chargeless particle as neutron. So neutron was found out by James Chadwick. Is it clear? So you have to learn the name of the scientist and their findings. So neutron was found out by James Chadwick. Is it clear all of you? So now we can stop it. The next we can see in the next class. Thank you.